But here's the twist. While everyone is watching the race to build the best AI, the real fight, the sneakier and maybe more important one, is happening a layer deeper. It's a war being fought over the very thing that gives these AIs life, the data.
For years, the big fear in cybersecurity was model theft, the idea that an enemy could steal your finished AI model. We get that threat, but the new danger is so much more strategic. It's all about sabotage. Why would you steal an AI when you can secretly corrupt it while it's being built, weaving a fatal flaw right into its very DNA?
And this tactic has a name that's just perfect: data poisoning. It is exactly what it sounds like. You deliberately contaminate the data that an AI learns from. I love this phrase people are using for it: a venomous shield. It turns your data not just into something an enemy can't use, but something that will actively harm them if they try.
And how you do it is almost beautifully simple. First, the attacker slips tiny, nearly invisible bits of bad data into a gigantic dataset. Think of it like a single drop of poison in a city's water supply. Then the adversary comes along and trains their brand new cutting-edge AI on that now corrupted data. And finally, the AI just does its job. It learns the flawed patterns as if they were gospel truth, creating a hidden backdoor or a vulnerability that can be exploited at the worst possible moment.
Now, if this sounds like something out of a spy movie, well, we've actually seen this kind of thing before. Does anyone remember Stuxnet? It's considered the world's first true digital weapon. It didn't just steal information. It physically destroyed Iranian nuclear centrifuges by manipulating their code. Stuxnet proved that digital sabotage could have devastating real-world consequences. Well, you can think of data poisoning as the Stuxnet for the age of AI.
This gives an attacker a whole menu of strategic options. On the overt side, you can just try to break the AI, making it fail loudly and obviously. Or you can be more subtle, covertly degrading it so it just kind of underperforms. But the really terrifying options are about misalignment. You could make the AI overtly do something it's not supposed to, causing a scandal. Or, and this is the ultimate prize, you covertly misalign it so that it secretly serves your goals, passing every test until you decide to activate it on the battlefield.